What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, Slow RT here. Today's video we're going to be installing a 87mm throttle body from Modern Muscle Xtreme. And well, as you guys can see, I just came back from getting a haircut. I very much needed it, but I'll pick up the camera once I get over to my friend's house since he has all the tools for it. I need to get tools, but see you guys there. This is my buddy Beto right there. He's going to supply me his tools so I can start working on this. Gotta take. Damn, I need both hands. Yeah. It's like I can't do shit with holding the camera. There you go.
And take this elbow off. This clamp, this clamp. We can get to the 4 bolts here. There. As well.
Let's just switch out the engine. No, not this.
What as well, huh?
Yeah. Gotta take out that little pin. Little clip.
There we go. There's the other one.
Alright. Did I get my shit? So dirty. Wow. Look at that. Didn't even have to take off the lid. Usually people just end up taking the lid off.
That's what I saw in the video.
Yeah. I don't know why people didn't think just taking this rubber piece off.
Yeah.
Maybe because they want more room or something?
Probably.
What kind of socket is it?
This is a 5/16.
5/16 to take this off.
Go.
Wow,
just like that.
It's so shiny. Here, just put it here, right here.
You can see that blade. It's a little bit thicker, and you can see the little indent right here. That's what they shave off.
And this one, you can see where they shaved it off.
Yep. You can see the blade just a tiny bit thinner.
Is it? Ah, I got my finger. My finger got stuck for a bit.
Yeah,
I can't even push it down.
Yeah. Let's see if I can do it.
There you go.
Probably.
Just a little bit.
Stock
throttle body.
And then this is all
shaved.
Yeah. So it's all nice and brand new.
So I guess this is 80mm, and then that one's, since it's shaved off, it's 87mm. Nice. Does it have a seal on there? Oh, it does, huh?
Yeah.
Alright. So guys, I would suggest if you want to get like a bigger throttle body, have mods for it, because I have the Hellcat airbox. And then I got the headers, and so this throttle body should actually be making a difference. And if you're still stock and you go with a bigger throttle body, it's not really going to do much difference. Oh, I'm scratching it. Yep. Oh. Dude, yesterday I checked the oil on the catch can, and it was a good amount.
Oh yeah.
It actually catches it.
Just nice and snug.
But for some reason, this was oily. Like before I opened it, it was covered in oil. I was like, what the fuck?
Did it overfill?
No, it was like up to here, which was weird. And so I started checking like the hoses, and I'm like, doesn't feel like oil was coming out. Can't really touch it because it's hot right now.
Alright.
But yesterday it was before I started the car. So I was like, what the fuck? And it's this cable right here makes it hard to actually take it off.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, to like release it?
Yeah. Because then you got to push the cable back, use both hands, and then pull down the can. Oh, but look at those headers. Damn. All wrapped up, soaking up the heat. So my ass isn't on fire.
Here you go. There's the shortcut.
Guys, remember, you don't have to take this off, because all the videos I see, people take either the whole entire air box off or the lid. Just take the rubber piece off, okay? You don't need to take off all that. Because I was telling my friend Beto, the videos that I've seen on YouTube, people usually take over 15 minutes longer. This was like less than 5 minutes. This was easy. Now I can sell this. I'm selling all my parts to Eddie.
For real. Boom.
Boom. Connected.
Boom. Put that little tab down so it doesn't pop back out. Done.
You want to test it out?
You want me to turn it on?
Yeah. Oh, here's the keys. Let me toss you the keys. Your neighbors are gonna hate me.
Oh yeah. Me too. I already do.
Step on it. Ooh, that popping. Oh, it looks like it's working. Damn, this is a short ass video. Now I'm like, fuck. It's probably gonna be less than 5 minutes. We
still got runs to do.
Yeah. Well,
Do some pulls.
I'm ready for runs. I just still gotta fix the exhaust leak. Nah, I'm going to my friend's shop this week, hopefully. Hopefully Friday.
Yeah.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Dude, let me put my tools away. We're going.
Slow down. Oh yeah, it's working.
You feel it?
Yeah. I don't know if I can feel the horsepower it gave it, but it's opening. It's working.
All right.
Damn, I hit 103. It doesn't even feel like it.
Hell no. I mean, I just feel the bumps. That's it. Like everything. Just the speed, getting up to speed is super smooth.
guys, so you saw how simple and easy that install was. It was faster than I thought it was going to be, because all the YouTube videos that I've seen, people usually take 15 to 20 minutes long, or at least their videos are. And what people usually end up doing is they either take out their whole air box or just the top lid. But my friend just took off the rubber piece that connects the throttle body with the air box, and just like that, it was an easy install. I was like, damn, I thought it was gonna take longer, huh? But hopefully this video helps you guys out, because I know there's a whole bunch of throttle body installs, this and that, but this is I've never seen anybody just take off the rubber piece. So hopefully this helps you guys out. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.